Good morning, students. In this chapter, under the fourth unit, chapter is it's okay to say no. So in this chapter we learn how to say no. That is one of the skill. So learning this skill can help you to keep safe as well as allow us to build and maintain strong relationship. So in this chapter we learned that how to say no. So before learning how to say no, first of all we learn about the reasons why we say no to others, in which conditions we say, why we say, what was the reason behind that, why we say no to others. So to learn to say no, we have to first understand what's resisting us about it, and below in your chapter, below some of the reasons are given, in your chapter reasons are given there. So we discuss that reason. First is want to help. The first reason when we say yes, that is why we are not saying no. The reasons are given there why we are not saying no, because we want to help. We really want to help to others, so that's why we say yes instead of no. But whatever the condition is there, means if you have already too much burdens there, means lots of work are there, but you are agreed to say yes to other because you want to help other. Second is afraid of being rude. Afraid of being rude means you are not saying no to others because you are afraid, you have a fear that if we say no, then other person, your friend or your relative, means they become being rude with you. So because of that afraid only you say yes instead of no. Now next is don't want to be out of group. Don't want to be out of group. In your class also, means you are making group of friends, so you don't want to be out of that group or any other group, so that's why you are not saying no to your friends or to your relatives, just you say yes. So that is also one of the reason not to saying no. Fear of conflict means you afraid of fighting with that person, so you are fear of conflict will also become one of the reasons of that's why you are not saying, you are hard to say no to others. Then fear of losing opportunity means if a great opportunity is given to you but you have already won another position, but so for because of that only you are hard to say no because you are binding with that one. So sometimes this type of thing also happens in our life. So fear of losing friend also, you don't want to be lose your friends with you, you don't want to be apart from your friend, so because of that reason only you are hard to say no to that person, you always say yes whatever the condition was there. So these all reasons whatever discussed by us, these all are false beliefs in our mind. Why? Because people are generally cooperative and social in society. If we realize, if we keep our aspect in front of that person, the way are there, different ways are there. If we positive way we show our result, we show our priority, we show our needs in front of that person, so people are cooperative, they understand. So saying no is just we are saying no for our, if we are valuing our respect, if we are values our aspirations, okay, then only if we respect our time, only then we accept this one to say no. Clear? So if we are not respecting our time, our space, our respect, then we whatever the condition we are facing, we say yes to that person. Clear? Means I will explain you with my example. Like say if lots of works are there, lots of work given to you, and in between that work if somebody come and give you another work that please help me in that work, but because of that reasons whatever discussed by us, because of that reason you are afraid, so you just say yes to that person. So only who suffer? The person who have lot of work, that person suffer. So in this chapter we learn how to say no to others. So different ways are there in your book. The first way to say no is, first of all, clear your vision. set your mind what you want to say, yes or no. Don't be double minded. First is clear your vision. So first step, clear your vision. Set in your mind that what you want to say, yes or no. After that, know the implication, know the result of saying whatever choose by you, yes or no. Then think about the result, think about the implication. Clear? Then second is implication, know about the result, know about that result. Then realize saying no is okay. When we set in mind that if you say no to a person, then after that if you realize, the realization was done by you that is it okay, then it is okay. Clear? Then realize that is okay. Then fourth one is use the medium. That medium only try to use to say no in which you are comfortable. Means different mediums are there. If you want to say to a person, say face to face, or you can say by sending message, by email, any other medium you can use to say no. Then next is keep it smile. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Think that respect your time and values, and set your mind that whatever decision taken by you, that is okay. Take it simple, no need to give rather explanation over there. Then be respectful. To whom you are saying no, be respect the values of that person also. Clear? That other person's thought also. So respectful, be respectful. Provide an alternative. The next way to say no is that if you want to say no to person, if any alternative was there, any choice is any substitute is there, just provide an alternative of that, but that is only if available. Next, make yourself less accessible. Means provide your contact numbers, you provide your relation to only few persons. Then write everything down first. When you say no, if you want to give explanation, write down the clarification first. Then delay your response. That is also one of the way. Don't be take decision on the spot. If you want to say no, just take time. So no need to reply right away. Then sometime no reply is also the form of no. Clear? So form of reply no is also one of the way. So different things are there, different ways are there if you want to say no, but only that condition when that is true, not in a false condition. So simple way to show is that you use different methods, different ways to say no. That I am not, if somebody wants help, you can say that I am not the best person to help on this. So that is also the way, one of the way to say no. Or you can say like that, I can't commit this as I have other priorities at the moment. I have lots of work at the moment. So other will not feel bad if you say like that. So different ways are there to say no. Don't say no straight away. Clear? So hope this chapter understood by you. Try to apply in your life also, but in a positive way. Thank you.